Welcome to the In Front of Me Nothing Phone, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings, and after that let's tap to the connected devices, then click the connection preferences and you'll see here NFC section. Just to activate NFC we should click here only once on this switcher, and that's it. Also, if you wanna use the NFC only when your device screen is unlocked, you should also activate the switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher once again. And if you want to switch the contactless payments, for example, if you have just another application, I for example have only the Google Pay, so I'll stay with this one, and if you have one more app, for example, you can switch it here. And just to turn off NFC, we should click here once again on the switcher. Also, we can use it, make it by the second way. Just first, let's open notification panel, and here somewhere you should find the NFC icon. In my case, it's here. Now, just to activate NFC, we should click here only once on this icon, and to turn it off, we should click on the icon once again. If you want to launch NFC settings from here, hold for a while this icon, and after that select NFC section. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.